Alright, let's do a small review, unboxing. So here, as you can see, this is the product. This it comes with this detector of positive and negative, and I say, okay, I'll give it a shot because I need the fuses. And here I have a little bit of everything. So you have the tiny fuses, you have the big fuses, so you have a little bit of everything. So I said, okay, I'll give it a shot. So as you can see here, we have the regular size, and we have the tiny ones here that you see here, and you have the other kind you see with this like that. So I'm not a mechanic or anything like that, so to me I say, okay, I have a little bit of variety. I think I'll give it a try and see how it goes. Here you have the other ones, so as you can see here. So this is the main thing. So as you can see, it comes with this type of detector. So basically you can put it on the fuse. Let's say that you put it like this, and then it should turn on the light, I guess. I mean, some of these, they will be, let's say, blue or red. So let's say if it's positive, it will be red, and if it's negative, it will be blue. So I mean, it depends. I didn't try it yet. So basically, this is very short. I mean, I don't like that this is too short, but okay. So basically, you just put it in the back. In the beginning, it wasn't going all the way. It was kind of like this. I don't know. It seems like now it got fixed by itself. That's it. So basically, you have to put this in the positive, and with this, you're going to do the rest, or sometimes maybe this in the negative. The other is going to be in the positive. As I have to try it. There are no instructions or anything like that, so I'll see how it goes. Other than that, I mean, looks a nice kit. So, but if you're going to do this, every day or something like that, I would recommend you to buy this detector. So as you can see here, it will show you the voltage. Also, I think it will show you something else, maybe the positive, the negative, so that way you can test the fuses without removing them or using a multimeter or anything like that. So I think here you have some pictures so that way you can see. And hopefully it's not just a multimeter. So I have another tools like this that it will show you, if it's positive, negative, and everything. So here you can see some pictures again, and so hopefully you will see, you should be able to see, yeah, okay, you have positive one end, positive in the other end, the fuse should work. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and if you want to keep learning, you can go to my playlist and you will have all my classes over there. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.